In this video lecture, we will look at arithmetic operators in Java programming. In Java programming, the ability to add things together exists. You can use mathematical expressions. To do this, arithmetic operators are used in mathematical expressions in the same way they are used in algebra. We have the plus sign. This adds values on either side of the operator. The next one is minus. You subtract right-hand operand from the left-hand operand. The next one we have is multiplication. It multiplies values on either side of the operator. So we have division. This divides left-hand operand by right-hand operand. The next one we have is the modulus. The modulus divides left-hand operand by right-hand operand and returns the remainder to the user. So the next one we have is increment. Increment increases the operand by 1. And the last is decrement. Decrement decreases the operator by 1 as well. So, in this case, you can be able to do all these. In Java programming, we have both operators, and they are very, very good. And we'll go ahead and check it out. So let's see how it works. First of all, so here I have a variable a, b, c, and they're integers. This integer holds 9, 11, and 13 respectively. So for your first one, system.out.println a plus b, 9 plus 11. The next one is subtracting 11 from 9. Let's go ahead and check it out by running this. Let's see this working out well. So, down here you can see the first a plus b is 20, a minus b is minus 2. A multiplied by b is 99, and b divided by a is 1. b modulus a is 2, and c modulus a is 4. 9 increment is equal to, a increment is equal to 9, and b decrement is equal to 10. So, I believe that you can see this, and this is how we use mathematical expressions in formal arithmetic operators in Java programming. And they go ahead a very long way to help us in case if we have situations when we need them. So we should know that operators exist and they're useful in Java programming. In case you have any question on that please do well to use the question and answer section, and I'm going to get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much, and I'm going to see you in the next video lecture.